A critical water main break in northwest Calgary has prompted road closures and the activation of the city's municipal emergency plan. The incident, which occurred in June 2024, has significantly impacted the city's water supply, leading to widespread disruptions and urgent calls for action. According to reports from the city of Calgary, the water main break has caused extensive damage, resulting in road closures in the affected area. Residents are advised to avoid the area and seek alternative routes until further notice. Emergency crews are working tirelessly to address the situation and restore normalcy as quickly as possible. The severity of the situation has prompted city officials to activate the municipal emergency plan. This measure aims to coordinate resources and efforts to manage the crisis effectively. Calgary Mayor expressed concerns over the impact of the water main break on the city's infrastructure and urged residents to remain vigilant. In response to the crisis, the city has issued a boil advisory for all residents. This precautionary measure is essential to ensure the safety of drinking water amidst the ongoing repair efforts. Residents are advised to boil water before consumption to prevent any potential health risks. The water main break has also prompted calls for assistance from neighboring communities. Calgary is encouraging clean water donations to affected areas, particularly Bowness, where the impact of the main break has been significant. The support from the community is crucial in alleviating the hardships faced by residents during this challenging time. The incident has underscored the importance of maintaining and investing in the city's infrastructure to prevent such emergencies in the future. Calgary officials are reassessing the condition of the water mains and implementing measures to enhance resilience against similar incidents. Despite the challenges posed by the water main break, Calgary remains resilient, with residents and authorities working together to overcome the crisis. The city's response efforts continue to prioritize the well-being and safety of its residents, ensuring that essential services are restored promptly. As the situation unfolds, residents are urged to stay informed through official channels and adhere to safety guidelines provided by authorities. With collective efforts and solidarity, Calgary will overcome this water emergency and emerge stronger than ever.